Piano teachers. I had a student play the second voice invention by Johann Sebastian Bach in C minor, and we encountered the following problem. When both hands were playing together, those triplets here, when they were played with the right hand, both hands were all played very beautifully, but when we had the reverse thing happen where the left hand had to play the triplets and the right hand the sixteenths, he played it as if he had 30 on the first key here, and then again 1/16 on top of the second 16th on the right hand. So the correct way, I'm going to play it now, this third, fourth, fifth and sixth bar, but I'm going to play correctly the right hand, the right triplets, and when I reach here, I will play as he played it in the beginning, playing this way, the triplets on the left. They were not triplets. So let's start. So what is the problem here? I'm not playing it as a triplet, but I'm playing it 2 on top of 1, 2/32 on top of a 16th, and then again 1/16 on top of the second 16th. But I have to play those three keys so fast so that they all get to be under this first 16th. That's why they're triplets. So on the second 16th, I don't play anything. So what did we do? Since his left hand, when he played separately, was very correct, I asked him first logically to make him understand not to play this second 16th on the right hand until he finished those three keys. But then we had this happen. He had to wait. His 16ths here were not equal. So we were not exactly on time. He did this because he was just doing what I asked him to do. So how did we solve it? I asked him to play only this third quarter of the bar, as if it is a broken record, all these 4/16ths, all the time, only on the right hand. Many times. Why did I ask him to do this? To get a momentum from his hand into his body, so that when he had to play with the left hand, he would have to play these as fast as he can so that he doesn't interrupt the momentum from this 16th. And he started little by little, not from the first try, but from the second, third, because he was playing all the time, so we did a lot of repetitions. And it started moving correctly. Again, broken record on the sixth bar. Several times to get the momentum so that the left hand has no other option but to play very fast those triplets so that the second, this D key, is already alone. It's alone and not divided. Again, several times, just the right hand. And then we add the left hand. And that's how we solved this problem. And lastly, something that also helps, I like to do with my students, is to ask them to play it on purpose in a wrong way, so that they understand what is wrong and then avoid it. I want them to identify what is wrong. So I ask them again to play in a wrong manner. So they did again the broken record, And I asked them, okay, now play it wrong. So here I play 2 30 seconds, and then here 16th on top of a 16th. That's the wrong way. This way I don't have any triplets. I have 2 fast, 1 slow. They're not equal. Then again, play the broken record several times and then try to play fast the triplets so that they are on top only on this first 16th. And when I get to my second 16th, the triplets are already over. Okay, in the beginning he did it a little bit slower, but still his right hand was pushing him to play the second 16th, so the left hand had to coordinate and sacrifice itself in order to get into that correct tempo, so that this doesn't get late. Hope this helps, and have a good and effective practice.